In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the Eisenhower Matrix in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, you're going to go to Create and then click on Templates. Now, make sure that you do not check any of these template types. It has to be out of any checks. Then, from the search node, search in Eisen, and you should see all the featured templates and templates by ClickUp that is provided right here. So, simply use one of those. Then, put in a name, and then use template. After that, you should now have an open Eisenhower matrix that you can use right here. So since this is from ClickUp and it's free, you will have full access and can edit and customize this however to your needs and liking. That's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.